Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of Keys Island Life. Miriam and I are super excited to show you around the Key West Butterfly and Nature Conservatory. Make sure you keep watching because we do have a little surprise in store for you.
Today I'm super excited. We're visiting Key West Butterfly Nature and Conservatory, and we are having an interview with Rhett and Scarlett, and they're coming in a minute. Where are we going? Scarlett, where are we going?
Alright guys, so I am here at the Key West Butterfly and Nature Conservatory here in Key West, Florida. I'm standing here with one of the owners. This is George. George, how long has the Butterfly Museum been here?
We opened in 2003. We're now 16 years old. We're very proud of being a very unique experience.
Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful here. We came here to see Rhett and Scarlett today. How long have they been with you here at the conservatory?
They have been here now for 6 years. They're 7 years old, and we're very proud of our two celebrities, Rhett and Scarlett.
Yeah. So just so you guys know, Rhett and Scarlett are flamingos. They're amazing and beautiful. The other thing is, what else does the conservatory offer? What are guests going to see when they come in here?
Thank you. We've always used the line to express that it's an audio-visual sensory experience. We have over 1,000 butterflies with about 25 different species of birds. Of course, we do have a couple of flamingos. We have turtles. We have little button quails that are playing around at ground level. So it provides a unique experience for people to learn. But we tag in with what we like to say too: excite your senses, expand your mind.
Okay.
That is a little bit of our concept too. That when people leave there, they have learned more about not only the butterfly world, but hopefully nature too.
Yeah, I learned today that I was saying cocoon and not a chrysalis for butterflies over moths.
That is correct.
So.
You see, right?
I know. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right.